Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, y'all. So listen, I was in Atlanta with my little guy over the weekend, and just a little getaway. And on our way back home, I wanted to venture off to the closest Tuesday morning. So when to do a quick little shopping, you know my rule, $20 is my max for impromptu shopping, okay? Especially for stuff that I don't really need. Anywho, so I had put into the GPS Tuesday morning, and lo and behold, there's like 8 of them that pop up within a 10-mile radius from where we were located in downtown Atlanta. Now, unfortunately, in the title for the Tuesday morning, listing, it would say Tuesday morning closing sale. So it wasn't just a Tuesday morning store. It had now been changed to Tuesday morning closing sale for about 5 out of those 10, and then the other 5, a few were further out, more so on the 10-mile line, as opposed to the few that were like within 1 to 6 miles and what have you. So I stopped at the nearest one that was open. It was on a Sunday. And the video footage you saw in the very beginning was what I saw when I came into the store. The store was basically cleared out. But I slid down to the crafting aisle, and to my surprise, there was still quite a few things there. Now, granted, there wasn't a lot of paper packs or We Are Memory Keepers tools, but I did manage to find a couple of collections that I really had hoped to add to my stash. And I wanted to make sure that I added something related to Christmas. 1, because it's July already, and 2, I don't have anything. I don't have a lot of Christmas crafting supplies, dedicated crafting supplies. Yes, I have ribbon and bows and stuff like that, but I only had 1 Christmas paper pad, and I was sick of it. I still have some left, but I'm frankly just sick of using it because I've used it for 3 years in a row. 2 years in a row, I think it was. Anyways, so without further ado, let me just show you guys what I found. So I located, you know what, let me show you the papers first, because then you'll understand the additional stuff that I've picked up. So I found the My Heritage by My Mind's Eye paper pad, and it shows, let's see, this little sticker set, and it has 6 sheets of double-sided cardstock, in which I'm sure that because I love the designs of their paper patterns, probably going to scan in some of the floral ones just so I can use it in the future. I won't be able to make it available to anyone in my Etsy shop, but I still can use it for my day-to-day crafting. So this has the 20 stickers, and then it has Ancestors Are My Entourage, Forever Family, Date of Birth, Date of Marriage, Stories of Us. I really like this collection, and I saw this somewhere else. Now, to go with that, I also found this stamp set. And by the way, all of the crafting supplies at this point were 30% off, so I was able to take advantage of that. Instead of that being $2.99, it was $2.30 or something to that nature. And the stamps, let's see, I think they're acrylic. They're not photopolymer. Yep, nope, they're not, because I can smell it as soon as I open the packaging up. So I got that. And then I purchased this paper pad. It's a pretty decent sized one at that. The My Mind's Eye Cozy Christmas. I think this has been out for a couple of years. And I'm just going to briefly flip through, see if I can get this open without tearing the pad, tearing into the pad. But I do like My Mind's Eye. Good gracious. see if I can do this another way. Maybe I should just... I do like their... they seem to have a good handle on a redo of vintage. You know, it's vintage with a modern twist to it. So you'll see like vintage patterns and stuff like that, but it'll have modern colors. So I like that, and I don't often see it. It's not as available at the Hobby Lobby near me. And by the way, there's only one craft store in my... Oh, good Lord, here we go. Maybe I should have did this before I came on camera. There's only one... I'll fast forward through this so you don't hear me talking. Okay, so this is the paper pad. I finally got it open. It was not that easy, guys. All right, so you have the, like, your December daily cut aparts, and it has a little bit of, you know, the glittery on the red area. It's pretty. And I loved the sage, the Saldon green that they use in here, as opposed to, like, you know, olive. And these are muted tones, so I'm good with that. And I also saw teal, a pale teal in here. This paper pad's already coming apart, which I'm okay with. So it looks like there's 2 sheets of each pattern. Polka dots, plaids. Children were nestled all snug in their beds while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads, and Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter's nap. I love that. Oh my goodness, I love that. And I'm going to have to scan that so I can use that in the future. That is so cute. Went out on the lawn. There arose such a clatter. I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Now Dasher, now Dancer. Then you've got the cars and the vintage vehicles. You got the pale teal. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Those stickers. I mean, did they put enough stickers on there? Then you've got your little houses and villages. Your classic deep red stripes. Christmas sweater patterns. I'm not sure what... It's kind of like a... It's not a fleur-de-lis, but it's like a bit... I forgot the name of that pattern. Don't hold that against me. And then a lot of the pages have the glitter embedded in there. Let's see if it rubs off. Not much. Not much at all. Little presents. And in the background it says Donner and Blitzen. It's the same pattern of the other page with the font on it. And it just has presents on top of it. And you have the same stripe pattern with the green. Let's see. You got your Christmas tree. Oh, reefs. How pretty is that? Now you can fussy cut those out if you'd like. Square cut. You know, if cut out squares and use them as embellishments. Some trees, really cute. Ornaments. Love it. Love it. Some more plaid with the glitter. Some different fonts. Merry Christmas and sentiments. Happy holidays. Peace, love, and joy. Oh, how cute is that? And again, that background of font with red, big red polka dots on it. Some more Christmas trees. And some red glittery bows. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? So I got that. That's the My Mind's Eye paper pad. Cozy Christmas by Celeste Knight. And to go with that, they had quite a few little, like the Holly Jolly 18-piece decorative. So you've got the pom-pom trim, some, I don't know if those are brads. They don't feel like brads, but I could be mistaken. Those are stickers. Some baker's twine, thick paper baker's twine. Looks like buttons. I'm not quite sure what that is. I could open it up, but I ain't going to. You know what? Let me go ahead and open it up just so we can see what it is. So, you know, head out to your Tuesday morning, check check Google to see if any of these items are, these are stickers, if any of these items are, any of the stores are having a closing sale, because it seems as though after the whole pandemic and what have you, this is stuck on here, that I don't know if they're going out of business or just closing some stores to ensure the profit margins remain effective for, promising, I should say, for the remaining stores. So we got that. And then I also picked up this Holly Jolly washi, excuse me. This is paper tape, but it's actually washi. And again, great prices, great prices. And I didn't have not a stitch of Christmas washi. Now, you know I'm a lover of the teals, so that was right up my alley. And then I also got these cute little embellishment keys. Now, I figure I could use these on journals. So, you know, this doesn't fall inside the realm of Christmas. But, I mean, it goes with my Heritage collection, if anything else, if nothing else. Okay, and then the last thing I picked up was the Vicky Bouton mixed media card making paper pad. That's what it's called anyways. Let's see if I can get this open without much fuss. Okay, bear with me, folks. If it presents any complication, oh no, easy on the first try. Go girls. And all of this, by the way, came up to $18. So I stayed within my budget with room to spare. There was another paper pad that I had in my hand. When I was at the register, I had them put it back because I don't even know how it got in my hand. It really wasn't a color or pattern that I even liked. I think it was something that I picked up and was holding while looked at what was behind it. But anyway, so I'm going to just flip on here real quickly so you can see it. It looks like there's only one sheet for each pattern. Some cut aparts. That is pretty. Love, love, love that. The watercolor doodled flowers. Butterflies. Mwah. Polka dots with the ampersand sign. Some more polka dots. World map. Part of it anyways, US and Mexico. Cork with stripe on top of it. Rainbow wood grain. Some more cut apart tags. It's nice. This is a nice paper pad. Let's see. This looks like ledger paper with a little bit of pink text on there. Grid paper. This really is good for mixed media. Now, you can definitely use this as a background, or you could use it for card making, scrapbook, or just in general in mixed media. You can cut these out and use them as embellishments. This looks like colored newspaper, arrows, some geometric patterns. I am not fond of geometric patterns at all. I don't know why. It's something about them that's just a little too modern for me. And I consider myself a modern girl, but I'm not drawn to it. Feathers. I love, love, love the feathers. And I like the mixture of the tones. Bright with muted. Celebrate right now. And okay. So that's what I got at Tuesday morning. And let me think. I did not get a shot of the craft aisle, but just believe me when I say it wasn't a whole lot there. It was a lot more in that aisle than there was anywhere else. But if you are looking to get a deal, you might want to go now, because even at 30%, the store was basically empty, okay, as you saw by the video. And if you're new to the channel, and you like what you saw, go ahead and give this video give the video a thumbs up if you like what you saw anyways, whether you're new or not. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a heart in the comments below so that I can give you a shout out as a new subby in my next video. And for those who are current subscribers and a member of the craft family here, I just want to say thank you for coming back, for your feedback, comments, and your encouraging words. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, and do not, under any circumstances, forget, wash your hands, wear your masks, check in on your neighbors, on your elderly, because we have got to get this thing under control. I refuse to have to sit here in this house for another couple months or so. Anyways, guys, take care. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.